Are you tired of those creaky, achy joints slowing you down? Well, get ready to put a spring back in your step. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of vitamins that can help ease those painful joints. From vitamin D to vitamin E, we have got the lowdown on 15 essential nutrients that could change the way you move. So sit tight and get ready for a journey to joint relief like never before. Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy. Today, we are focusing on something that affects millions around the globe, joint pain. Whether it's due to aging, injury, or underlying health conditions, dealing with joint discomfort can be a real challenge. But fear not, because we are about to unveil a treasure trove of vitamins that might just be the key to unlocking relief. So let's kick things. Our first vitamin is vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and reducing inflammation, making it a top contender for joint support. Vitamin C. This powerhouse vitamin isn't just for fighting off colds. Its antioxidant properties can also help protect joint tissues from damage and promote collagen formation for healthy cartilage. Third vitamin is vitamin E. Another antioxidant heavyweight, vitamin E, has been shown to reduce oxidative stress in the joints, potentially alleviating pain and inflammation. Vitamin K. Often overshadowed by its counterparts, vitamin K is essential for proper calcium utilization, which is vital for bone health and potentially easing joint discomfort. But wait, we are just getting started. Let's dive deeper into our list. Vitamin B12. This essential vitamin is crucial for nerve health, which indirectly impacts joint function. Ensuring adequate B12 levels may help alleviate nerve-related joint. 6. Vitamin A. Found in colorful fruits and vegetables, vitamin A supports the maintenance of healthy joint tissues and may help reduce inflammation. Vitamin B6. Often overlooked, vitamin B6 is involved in over 100 enzymatic reactions in the body, some of which play a role in joint health and inflammation regulation. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Research suggests that vitamin B3 may help improve joint mobility and reduce inflammation, offering potential relief for those with arthritis or other joint conditions. And now, let's uncover some more vitamins that could be your ticket to joint comfort. Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid. While less talked about, vitamin B5 is essential for synthesizing coenzyme A, which plays a role in the production of steroid hormones that regulate inflammation. Vitamin B9, also known as folate. Folate deficiency has been linked to joint pain and inflammation, making it essential to ensure adequate intake for overall joint health. Thiamine, that is vitamin B1. Thiamine is involved in nerve function and muscle contraction, indirectly influencing joint mobility and comfort. Riboflavin, which is a vitamin B2. This vitamin aids in energy production and antioxidant defense, potentially helping to combat oxidative stress in the joints. But wait, we are not done yet. Here are a few more vitamins to add to your arsenal against joint discomfort. 13. Vitamin B7, also known as biotin. While primarily known for its role in hair and nail health, biotin also supports metabolic functions that contribute to overall joint wellness. Vitamin B6, which is pyridoxine. In addition to its role in nerve health, vitamin B6 is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters that may influence pain perception in the joints. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin. Last but certainly not least, vitamin B12 deficiency has been associated with joint pain and mobility issues, highlighting its importance in joint health. So there you have it. 15 vitamins that could be your ticket to a life with fewer joint aches and pains. Remember, while supplements can be beneficial, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet rich in whole foods to reap the full benefits of these nutrients. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on optimizing your health and well-being. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving. We'll see you in the next one. Toodles!